Got some more stuff for the garden. Some more flowers, some herbs, strawberries, and their food. Yun na yun. And my front garden. So far, they're alive. My rose bush. It's giant now. I trimmed my potatoes and used it as compost for my worm. So I'm gonna add some herbs over here. Since I researched it that you can actually do a companion plant for the asparagus. But they're only very specific about the companion one. Since it gets sunlight over here, so I can use this area too. But of course, there's more room over there. More plant like we can do. I have a spot already for my strawberry. I'm gonna use those white containers over there. Since I have a heat tolerant strawberry, and then the other one I'm gonna put over there. Because this one gets all the sunlight and a little less in here. So we bought some thyme. And we got this one, the marjoram. I researched it. And it's good. It's a very good herb. And then I think that's the only herb. Oh, garlic chives. And then this is also heat tolerant, so it's good. Got some new seeds. We're gonna have some spinach and also nasturtium. And also I got, what else? I got these Greek oregano. Some more herbs. Just so. For the sake of herbs. I'm done for the day. But I still need to buy soil because I'm running out of soil. I need to fill up all the butas. I still need to plant my potato. And I have this that I'm trying to cure. I'm curing this also.